Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix OmeTV camera errors on your PC. First, make sure your camera is enabled in Device Manager. Right-click on this PC and select Manage. From there, open Device Manager and find your webcam under the camera section. Make sure it's enabled. If it's disabled, simply right-click on it and enable it. Next, check if you have any virtual camera software installed. For example, I had OBS Studio installed, so I am going to uninstall it. Sometimes virtual cameras can be a problem. Also, don't forget to check if your webcam is being used by another application running in the background. Look at your system tray, even in the hidden icons, and close any apps that might be using the camera. If another app is using it, OmeTV won't be able to access it. After that, open OmeTV and check if your camera is showing. If it appears, make sure you click allow when it asks for permissions. As you can see, it's working now. But if you still see the same error after trying everything, you need to check your browser extensions. If you have installed any extension that OmeTV doesn't support, it can cause this issue. Try disabling or uninstalling those extensions and then reload the site. Once you remove the problematic extension, your camera should start working again. So just follow all the steps shown in this video and you will be able to fix your OmeTV camera errors on PC. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.